Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to share this Scrap Diva Designs die set. It is the lace border bow and it creates two different size bows. This is what it looks like. This time around, I used some glitter foam to create these bows and I put some tulle in the background. You guys know I love doing that. So this is the small size and this is the bigger size, and of course you'll get a different look if you use different colors. I just kind of wanted to do the same colors because that's the piece of glitter foam that I have. So I thought it would be cool to get on camera and put some of these together. So you get all these pieces. Your bottom layering piece is gonna have these really cute little dotted holes detail, like a lace type of lace detail, and then the next piece that layers over that would be this. So let's actually put these together. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of hot glue. I did use some wet glue on the other ones and they weren't sticking as well. So I like the hot glue for this part. And then your back piece is going to be, here, let me get all my pieces together. Okay, this is for the smaller bow, and then this is for the bigger bow. Let me grab this other center. All right. So the next piece is the same. You get the stitch piece and then the piece that has the little dots. So we're gonna go ahead and layer those. Just like so. I've got to get some more. Let me know where you guys get your glitter foam from. I don't remember whether I got this from Hobby Lobby or Joann's, but this is the only pink that I could find. I think white would have looked nice. And then you're just gonna form your bows by folding it over and gluing it like so. I want to create some tassels with these. So I'm going to be grabbing some ribbons from my stash to create some tassels. And then I'm going to be using these. I didn't put glue right here. I need to put some glue on the tips. Let your stuff dry really good. Don't be impatient like me. Okay. So there goes our top piece. And then I'm just gonna glue this together. Now I did put tulle on the other ones. With this one, I'm not gonna put tulle. Guys, let this dry. All right, I am making a mess with the hot glue, but that's what seems to be working better than the wet glue for me. I made some of these during Halloween with a different one of her bow dies, and I love the way it looked with the all black. So that's why I wanted to make these all pink. All right, so we have that part, and then we can just put this piece here. I normally don't use this piece. Look at how cute. You can always put other things like cabochons, flowers, and all that good stuff. We're just gonna go ahead and use it this time. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue and a little bit of glue here. And then there goes our bow. All right, so I'm gonna pause and put the smaller one together same way. And then I'm gonna collect some ribbons and we're gonna go ahead and create some tassels using this bow die. Don't forget to use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off on your entire purchase on anything on scrapdivadesigns.com. Okay, I'll be back. You guys, I actually cut these two out. This is from her belly band duo that just came out this month. It's a new release. I'm gonna have a link down below. And it comes with two belly bands. You get these layering pieces and then the layering piece that goes within it. And I cut out this heart one, and I thought, how cute would this be? So I actually want to make a keychain. So I went ahead and I cut out the bigger middle. I put the smaller one together. I still have to put that around the center. But I want to take this, yeah, and glue it right here. So let's do that. Put a little bit of glue on the end. I'm using the bigger of the two dies for the center. And I'm just gonna position that there. And I'm gonna grab some keychains. Let me know if you guys need a link to some keychains, because I ordered these on Amazon, and they come with a ton of different colors and sizes. Let me see, do I want to use this one? No, I want to use the one with just a key. Yeah, these two. So I'm gonna go ahead and loop this here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and glue this. Okay. I still want to make a tassel, but I've been wanting to make a keychain out of her cowgirl release, and I didn't get a chance to, so we're doing it now. All right, so there goes the keychain aspect, and then this just loops in here. Do that beforehand. Let me pause it. All right, I got it in, so I'm gonna go ahead and just slide it on. And then I'm gonna glue this piece on the back. And this heart has the tiniest little hole on the bottom. I'm gonna show it to you a little closer. And you can dangle something really cute on there, like a little charm or a bead. You can also cut this piece out of foam, and it'll be a lot more sturdier. And then I'm just gonna simply glue. Oh my God, it came out so cute, you guys. I'm just gonna glue this right here. I'm gonna put a huge glob in the middle and try my best to center it. And let me fix my tool really nicely before it sets in. God, this glue, it drives me insane. Okay. Look at how cute that is, guys. Let me get that extra glue out of there. Yeah, like I really need to put it on my nails. Look at how pretty that is, guys. And then you could add some beads and stuff. Let me go ahead and pause and put a little charm there. I have no clue what kind of charm to use. Okay, so I did find a little bead to put, but I can't find my other pliers. I did some cleaning and I just have everything separated right now for some reason, but I'll come back to that. But I did want to grab some trims. So you guys know it's one of my favorite trims. This is the bigger of the one with the tool. And so let's go ahead and create this. Here, let me put this on here. I'm trying to think, do I want to squeeze it through this little hole? I don't. And don't. But do I want to have this ring on here? It would be easier to loop it. All right, let me just get it through. All right, we got it in there. I really want to use a different topper, but whatever. Let's go ahead and loop this in here. And actually, before I do that, let me go ahead and cut this. So I just grabbed different pieces of fabric. And I'm just gonna cut it. I think I want to do two of these. Let me know if you guys want a link to this trim here. I got the pink one off Amazon, and I got like a, I don't remember how much, it's a big pack of different white lace. So I'll include it if you guys are interested. I'm gonna do a piece of this Dollar Tree trim. So I'm just gonna cut everything to size. Some pom-pom trim would be really pretty too. I did pull this out. I don't know if I want, let's just add it. I'm gonna cut it a little bit bigger because I want to fix the ends of the other side. Let's see how this looks so far. So we're gonna go ahead and layer it. I'm just gonna loop it through halfway, like so. Then maybe I'll do this one. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. Then I'm gonna go in with this. Pretty lace. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know how I feel about this one though. And then I'm gonna do the other lace. Let's do it like so that both scallop edges are on opposite ends. I'm just gonna get it all here and then I'll arrange it. And then we'll layer this striped one. Some pom-pom trim will look really pretty on this, guys. I don't like that this one is hiding. I love this one. Okay. And then let's see how that looks. Pretty so far. Let's add one more. I wonder if I should add that dark pink. I do have a dark, it was too dark though. I do have this one. Let's see how it looks. If anything, I can take it out. Ooh, that's pretty, guys. Kind of want to add two of this one. Okay, let's take this out so I can measure it. Let's do two of these. This one's pretty. I only could find one of these at Dollar Tree. Don't be sleep on Dollar Tree, guys. They have some really beautiful trims. I hate getting them from there though, because then when I want more, I can't find it. Okay. Let's go with that and let's see how this looks. All right, so we got that. Let's string this one back in. And then let's, I really want to take this one out. It's bugging me. Yeah, I'm taking that one out. String these. I love the way the lace looks. All right, I'm gonna get these nice and folded like in half evenly. So I'm gonna have to tug at the ends. I don't know, I think that's fine. Here, let's put this one on top. I'm gonna put this one on top. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab some twine. And I'm gonna tie this to create our tassel. This is a great way, guys, to use your magnets. Let me show you guys what I do. Get everything how you want it. And then take your magnets and you can put it like that, or you could do it directly on the ribbon. And I'm just gonna slide this under and tie it right here on top. cover it. And you know what? I'm gonna tie it twice, actually. I'm gonna take that bow out and I'm gonna double tie this. There we go. Now I'm gonna tie a bow. Okay. There goes our pretty tassel. You'll get different looks using different yarns or ribbons. Okay, arrange it how you want it. I think that's pretty. And then we're gonna go ahead and glue this right on top. All right, these strings are bugging me. So I'm gonna wrap these around like so, and then put a little glue. Hey, didn't we put the thing on here? All right, it must be underneath. How did that happen, guys? Don't do that. How did I do that? I was getting too carried away with my ribbons. There we go. All right. So there goes our tassel. I'm gonna keep this clean side on the back and I'm gonna glue this here. So here's our bow. So guys, this is 2 ideas on what you can do with the new bow die from scrapdivadesigns.com. I will have the dies that I use linked down below. Don't forget to use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase, guys. I like the way this came out. I think that I should have doubled everything, used 2 of everything, but I think it came out really pretty. Let me know what you guys think down below. I will have some, probably some reels of this, and then you can fix the ends by clipping them really pretty. But I love the way it came out, guys. Here's 2 ideas on what you can do with this new bow die. We have the tassels and then the keychain, which I gotta add some beads and charms. All right, so that's it for this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you grabbed this die set. If you don't have it in your stash, definitely grab it. You guys know how I am. Any bow die is a must-have in my eyes, so I have to have all the bow dies. All right, if anything is not linked down below that I forgot, just leave me a comment so I can put it for you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.